Greetings, cats and kittens. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back to Libby's Lullabies. Today, I am going to be reading Just in Case You Want to Fly by Fogliano with illustrations by Christian Robinson. So I want you guys to sit back or lie down. Either way, I want you to enjoy the story. And if there is a story that you would like for me to read, feel free to DM me on Instagram at Libby's Lullabies, or you can email me at libbyslullabies@gmail. Just in case you want to fly, here's some wind and here's some sky. Here's a feather, here's up high, and here's a wing from a butterfly. Here's a cherry if you need a snack, and if you get itchy, here's a scratch on the back. Here's a rock to skip, and a coin to wish, and a fork and a spoon and a cup and a dish. And just in case you want to sing, here's a la la la, and a ding ding ding. Here's a joke if you want to laugh. Bye, son. It's bison, not bison. It's funny. And here's your toothbrush and your favorite giraffe. Here's a blanket and here's a dream and some kisses on your head. Here's a pillow and here's a song for when you go to bed. When I'm worried and I can't sleep, I count my blessings instead of sheep. And just in case you want to cry, here is a tissue and here's a sigh. Here's an umbrella in case it rains, and some honey for your tea. And here is a map with an X on the spot to find your way home to me. So remember, no matter where you go, no matter how far you go, there will always be someone waiting for you. I hope you enjoyed the story. I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day or your evening, your week, or your weekend. And I will see you next time on Libby's Lullabies.